In this video, I'm going to show you how to create stunning transparent text effects in CapCut. Launch the CapCut app. Create a new project by clicking on Create Project. Import your video or background image into the timeline by clicking the Import button. Reposition the image to your liking. Navigate to the Text tab in the top toolbar. Choose a text template or drag a default text box to your timeline. Edit the text as desired. Scroll down on the top right menu, click on Stroke. Change the color and thickness of the stroke to your liking. Extend the duration of the text layer to match the length of your clip by dragging the edges of the text track. Copy your background and paste it into the same timeline. Bring the copied background above the text. Select the top background on the timeline. Go to the Remove BG option in the right side menu. Click on Auto Removal. This will bring the image in front of the text. Now copy the text layer and paste it into the timeline. Change the text color to black. Increase the stroke a little. Import a black background from the media library. Now select both the black video clip and the text layer by holding down the Control button. Right-click and select Create Compound Clip. This combines both layers into one. Place the combined video above all of the clips in the timeline. Go to the video option in the right side menu. Click on Blend. Select the mode as Brighten. Here you can see that we have created a stunning transparent effect on the text.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.